Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic of discussion is Wren and Martin book. This is the second lecture of this book which consists of second chapter. Let's move to second chapter. Second chapter is about subject and predicate. When we make sentence, we name some person or thing and say something about a person or thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about. So, in every sentence, we have two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. The part which names the person, place, thing we are speaking about. Then this is called subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of sentence. Now we begin with examples to understand the concept of subject and predicate. The first example about subject. He is going to school. In this sentence, he is subject and his going to school is predicate because subject is the name of person and going to school tells us something about that subject. Most important thing about predicate and subject is in imperative sentences the subject is missing, but here the subject you is understood. For example, sit down, thank him,